Panasonic FV-0811VFL5E WhisperFit EZ Retrofit Bathroom Fan with Light is an affordable choice for delivering quiet, energy-efficient, and effective exhaust ventilation. Ideal for residential remodeling, hotel construction, or renovations, these fans fit where you need to put them, even in 2x6 construction. The built-in pick-a-flow speed selector allows you to select the required airflow, 80 or 110 CFM. Being able to choose the proper CFM level gives you the flexibility and assurance that one fan can satisfy a range of ventilation design requirements and perform as promised, even with a complicated duct run. WhisperFit EZ Fan Light model features a contemporary flush mount grille that incorporates 110W dimmable LED chip panel with less than 1 watt LED night light for warm, energy-efficient illumination. Installation is made easy with the Flex Z Fast installation bracket and detachable installation adapter. The detachable installation adapter provides even greater flexibility, as it simply slides off the fan housing for easy wiring and attachment of the duct from under the ceiling. Panasonic fans use less energy to move larger volumes of air than other brands. Consequently, Panasonic fans run cooler so they last longer because they are also less likely to overheat and result in motor failure. Panasonic ventilation fans are ENERGY STAR certified and provide greater efficiency and comfort with less noise. High-performing motors and an improved blade design deliver the superior performance and long life you expect from a premium Panasonic ventilation fan. Achieve quality air and energy efficiency with Whisper quiet sound levels for your spaces with Panasonic FV-0811VFL5E WhisperFit EZ Retrofit Ventilation Fan with Light. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Retrofit Solution. Ideal for residential remodeling, hotel construction, or renovations. Number 2. Low profile. 5-5/8 inch housing depth fits in a 2x6 construction. Number 3. Pick a flow speed selector. This allows you to pick the desired airflow from 80 or 110 CFM. Number 4. Flexible installation. Comes with Flex Z Fast bracket for easy, fast, and trouble-free installation. Number 5. ENERGY STAR rated. Delivers powerful airflow without wasting energy. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.